Hello guys, hope everyone is having a wonderful day. So today I wanted to make this video regarding one of the very first way I started making money online, and this method still works till this day. It's called retail dropshipping, and it's really a easy way for anyone to go out there and start making money. If you don't have any money in the beginning, you can start doing retail dropshipping, and you're not just doing retail dropshipping on platforms like Shopify, but instead you're doing retail dropshipping on website as eBay, because eBay already got a ton of traffic and people from a lot of places within your country are coming to this platform to buy something. So what we're doing is getting a listing, getting a product from a supplier, and we're putting that same product on a eBay platform, and we're marking up the price up like probably 10-15% up, and then we're selling the product. Once we sell the product, we're paying eBay fees, we're paying the product cost, and whatever we have left, that's pretty much our our profit. So, and you also want to stay till the end, because at the end I'll also show you a brand new method that I started recently, and it's like a really automated business. If you have a 9 to 5, if you're working full-time and you pretty much don't have much time to run a business, start a business, this is going to be a turnkey business for you, and which is going to give you time freedom, because end of the day, that's what we moving towards. Like, the more time we have, that time we can build something on the side which can run on pretty much on autopilot, and at the same time we can do whatever we love to do, like spending time with the friends, families, and whichever thing that you want to do. So as you can see, I'm on this platform. It's called Sydney Tools, right? This website is based in wherever I'm living. I'm living in Australia. So this is one of the suppliers that I used to use when I used to do retail dropshipping. This is probably, I'm talking back like 2015, 2016, when I first started doing dropshipping, and then this was the first way I started making money online. So if I go to this platform, I'll pretty much, what I did is like, I'll copy this whole title, and then what I do, I just pasted that same exact title onto eBay, right? And very quickly you can see there's a product here, and it's actually the same product, right? M7, you can see the sign here, M7, right? So this is exactly the same product. The number is same, 7M 178 mm 7-inch, right? So this is exactly the same product, and you can see how much have they actually marked up the price. So this product is selling for, on eBay, $814.95, and they're only buying this product for $510. So you can see how much profit they're making right up the front, right? And the good thing is, this product is also, they're also doing free shipping, right? So but the way that I like to do stuff, I like to click on this product, but don't forget, this supplier is also charging, this store is also charging $27.55. First of all, he's getting this product for free, free shipping, but also he's adding his own cost just to make additional profit, right? So this is the way that you actually make a lot of money, because people are actually not, in the beginning, they're not seeing how much they're paying for the shipping, and what they're gonna do is just click on buy it now, and at the end of the when they are ready to check out of their cart, that's when they're gonna realize, oh, this is charging me $27.55. But they, end of the day, they don't really care. Like, they actually need this product. The product is right in front of their eyes. They like to buy, they're hungry to buy, right? and this is how they're actually making the profit. So what's gonna happen now, what I normally like to do, I like to go on their stores and just to see how they actually, how many products have they got. So you can see on these stores they have already sold 9.5 thousand items sold. Wow, that is a lot of stuff that they have sold, right? So this is the way I like to do things. I like to go and see which other products have they actually selling. Like this is the one, this is another product. You can see it's the same, it's like black in color. If I go back, you'll see there was like a same style. So if I copy that number, like this is the product here. So right, so but this is a bigger price one, so I'm pretty sure they have more products. So 549.95, so it's the number is different, so it will be just marked up price, and that's how they're actually making all this profit, right? So what I normally like to do, I'll go to a supplier's website, like for example the product that we just saw, right? And I'll get the whole description for that product. I'll get the whole description for that product, and I'll copy this product. I'll save this photo on my desktop, right? And when I'm listing this product, in the beginning I like to put as much keywords. So very quickly you can see it's an angle grinder, right? You can see it's an angle grinder. This guy is very lazy, right? He doesn't like to do much work, so he just copy pasted this. But what I used to do was, like, I used to put the keywords right in the beginning. So I used to say like 7-inch angle grinder, handheld tools, power tool, right? So I used to have all these keywords right in the beginning, so that way it used to give me a lot of advantage over other these sellers, right? So, and I just used to mark up the price. So if he's doing for $814, right, so he's got his price $510 that he's buying for. I used to put my price like maybe $7.99, because end of the day I'm still making a lot of profit, and I used to do like free shipping on all my products. So that way when customers like to see, they say free shipping used to be always ranked up. So that's how I used to be outrank my competition. And then I used to also, what I used to do, like markdown. So this price used to be like has like a slash in here, and on the behind it, on the side of it, used to have like I used to have like markdown sale, which that means is like this price I used to put $814, and then I used to cross this, and right beside it I used to put my price at $7.99. So that way they used to buy very quickly, because they didn't want to miss on that sale. So that's how I used to sell a lot of products very easily. So I used to get all the products, photos and everything, and I just used to copy this description, and I just used to change the words around and just make it like a little bit unique. I used to use put a lot of keywords in here, that way this product used to rank. I also used to put reviews, so if I find any review about that product on the website, I used to put the review as well. And then I used to just put up the product for sale, and it's very easy to put the product. So if you go sell, that way it's gonna give you option to list your product. So that's a very easy way for anyone to go out there and start making all this money, right? Because this store, with what I can see, if I go to this store, you'll see that he's making a sale, like a lot of sale every day. So if I go to sold items, you see how much stuff is he selling. So he's this is April now, he's just sold this one, right? This is what I used to do, markdown sale, right? So you can see 16 February, and he's selling a lot of products. Like he's probably have like virtual assistant in the Philippines, doing all this, and this store is just on autopilot, right? This is what I used to do, like very interesting way, exciting way to make money, right? And then sale used to come just every day, ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Money used to just come to my account. I just used to pay the virtual assistant overseas, and then rest of the profit I used to keep the profit, right? So this is one way of how you're gonna make money on eBay using your suppliers. And it's very easy way, simple way to start getting money coming into your bank account. Right now, till since you waited all the way till the end, I wanted to show you a new method that I started using and how I started making money. So if you can see, this is a website that I created for anyone who's looking for make money online opportunity. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get all this done for you, so you don't have to actually design this. This is a funnel that the company made for me, and pretty much what I'm doing now is this is just running on autopilot, and I'm earning commission of $800, $2,400, all the way to $4,000 per sale, right? And the system is doing everything in the background. I'm not doing anything. I'm not sitting in front of the camera. I'm not doing anything on the laptop. I'm just setting this once. So all I'm doing is just sending traffic to this website, and people just signing in. And what happens after that, company also set up a automated sequence like email swaps. Customers starts getting emails on autopilot, and once they get the email, they get to this page, pretty much the next page, right? They watch a free workshop, right? It's only like 14-15 minutes long, doesn't take much long. And once they watch this, then they click on this. It pretty much explains like the whole entire process, what the people will get. And then they watch this video, another 12 minutes, doesn't take long, right? And then when you go down, you can see here a lot of testimonials, people who are actually getting so much results from this amazing system and program. You can see this is the guy that actually created Bob Houston, and it's like very interesting and very 10-key business model. This lady started, these people all hitting like 10-15K a month easily. Okay, so these are all these testimonials, and you exactly gonna get the same thing, because end of the day, all we need is like a lot of testimonials for people to see and just see if this system is working for everyone or not. Okay, so once they go down and they're interested, they pretty much call this number, like they call this number. They got like a 1-800 number. So when they call the 1-800 number, like this one here, when they call the 1-800 number, they leave a voice message, and the team actually calls these people on our behalf. So that's why I'm saying this is a very 10-key business, because you're just sending people to the funnel, and when someone gets interested in the system, in the product, pretty much they call the 1-800 number, and they get access to the sales team. The sales team explains the whole entire process, and when they get interested, you also have like a 0 out-of-pocket finance that you're gonna get as well. And they click on that button, then they're gonna get to the system side of it, and if they're interested, they click this, and then they pretty much join this amazing system. So this is the one business model that I'm doing now, and it's like really great, really great support that you're gonna get with this. And also, if you are watching and if you interested in this amazing system, I'll leave a link in the description, so you can click and watch this free training. Enter your email, and then on the next page watch this video, and then click on the products, see what bonus you're gonna get. I'll leave the link in the comment section below, so you can watch it. All right, so very simple, easy business model. And when you join me, I'll also give you a traffic pack, right? So I'll when you get the traffic pack, I'll also pay for your traffic. So in the beginning, because I know it's a lot hard for people to actually invest a lot of money, right? So when you join me, I'll pay for your traffic and I'll give you clicks, so that way you can just get started with this amazing system, and I'll also be guiding and support you every single step of the way. So thank you again for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and all the details I'll put in the comment section below. Thank you again. Bye for now.